Why is war called the dreaded enemy of liberty in the recent news article? Because war often strips away freedoms, it threatens the very rights people fight to protect. Discover why liberty and war are such bitter foes. During wartime, governments often enact emergency laws that limit freedoms like free speech, assembly, and privacy. These measures, though intended to protect, restrict the liberty of individuals. Surveillance increases, dissent is suppressed, and normal democratic processes may be suspended. This creates a climate where liberty is sacrificed for security, making war a direct threat to personal and collective freedoms. In many cases, war leads governments to centralize authority, weakening checks and balances essential for democracy. Elections may be delayed or manipulated, and opposition voices silenced. This concentration of power often results in authoritarian tendencies that erode civil liberties. Liberty depends on healthy democratic institutions, which war can destabilize and damage permanently. In contrast, peace allows societies to focus on building and protecting freedoms. Economic stability, education, and open discourse flourish without the fear and destruction of war. Liberty is nurtured when governments and citizens collaborate without the pressures of conflict, showing that peace is the true foundation for lasting freedom. War challenges liberty at its core by restricting freedoms and destabilizing democratic systems. Understanding this helps us appreciate why peace is essential for protecting our rights. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, and keep exploring the forces shaping our world.